The one thing that humans get to do and can do is humans tell stories. Humans create fiction. And because they create fiction, they can be self-aware, they can be self-reflective, and they can gather in groups of varying sizes up to gigantically massive sizes with the same common core belief structure, not because any of that's real, because they share a common story. So fiction is essentially how we glue our world together.
Really, I like to look at it as the Quest is undoubtedly amazing technology, but it's just the beginning of realizing the potential of what we can do and where we can go when we get to true tetherless premium VR, right?
VR to me is really a powerful technology.
A new medium that has a great potential.
An immersive viewing experience.
Really pushes the boundaries of senses.
Finally, we have an interface that's very natural, right? It's how we interact. It's just a knee-jerk visceral reaction which you have in the real world.